We have here, of course, Bea Ocampo and Julius Tirio, the representative of Rizal to Miss Grand International Philippines and Mr. International Philippines. Now, how does it feel now that you are wearing the sash of Rizal to the national pageant?
It's a great honor, no, to represent not just me, but the whole Rizaleños. And very fun naman po yung Miss Grand Philippines right now because we do a lot of rehearsals, we do a lot of preparations for the coronation night. And tomorrow, we're gonna have our press presentation.
Yeah.
So, I'm inviting then everyone po to support me and tomorrow.
Okay, before your coronation muna ng Mr. International Philippines, and that is really fast approaching. How are you preparing now, mentally and physically?
You know what? First of all, what an honor to carry your name, Rizal Province. It's really an immense pride to carry your name. So I know that I will be the first one to compete in the national stage. So to all my supporters, I am encouraging you guys to support me on my journey to win the Mr. International Philippines crown. So a little bit pressured, but somehow excited because I get to represent the Rizal Province in the national stage, and I'm preparing, especially double workout and the diet, and at the same time really training on the Q&A and pasarela. So I will make sure that I will give my best on my journey in this competition.
Realidad ng beauty pageant nowadays, sabi nga nila, there are a lot of competitive, not only competitive, but influential na mga tao na ibig sabihin medyo sikat na mga personalities that you will be competing with. So what will make you stand out in order for them to be toppled down?
Miss Grand is very different with other pageants. We all know that, no? It's not just about beauty. It's not just about intelligence. It's about 4Bs: beauty, brain, body, and business. And
Wow.
yes, diba? That's so grand because I am myself is an entrepreneur. So I know how to run a business. I am also a beauty queen. That's why I'm beautiful.
Yeah.
And I think I'm intelligent as well. You know that. And I know I'm hot. So, I have that 4Bs and that's enough for myself na alam ko na deserve ko ang spot dito sa Miss Grand Philippines. And there's no pressure naman po with mga, ayun nga po, yung mga controversial na mga sasali because alam niyo naman po na nag-start din po sila as a beginners. And isa nga din po doon is one of my idols sa pageantry, and I'm really, really grateful na makasama ko siya in this journey.
I really like how jolly and bubbly you are, which is probably the prototype of the Miss Grand International Philippines. And you, how about you? Marami ka rin medyo kalaban na medyo kilala, influential, and also mga medyo sikat na mga personalities out there. How will you be able to compete with them?
Yes, I am very aware that there's a lot of influential, especially blogger, very famous personalities that I'll be competing in the Mr. International Philippines. But one thing for sure, one thing that I could bring in the national stage would be my authenticity. You know what? As a Rizaleño, we are known to be resilient. We don't give up, especially on the difficult times. Especially if we encounter failure, we are always there to come back strong. And aside from that, we are very creative when it comes on the pursuit of our dreams. And at the same time, we are very passionate when it comes on dedicating the things that we are doing, especially for us and for the people that we love. And aside from that, those are the things that I wanted to bring in the national stage. And that's, I think, my advantage.
No, I don't think I still have to comment on that. Yeah, the two of you mic drop. Wala na tayong masabi dahil the two of you really can speak well. So magaling ang pagpili ng Ginoo at binibining results sa kanilang representative on the national stage. But talking about that, sabi nga nila, taas na all Rizaleño because you are all Rizaleños here. So, ayun nga, sabi mo kanina, we are resilient, we are determined, and loyal. But what do you think really sets apart a Rizaleño sa mga kakalabanin natin dyan out there, mga candidates?
We have our own tourism, we have our own tourist spots, no? Pero one thing about Rizaleños is they're stubborn in a good way.
Yeah.
Just like me, no? Palaban talaga ang mga Rizaleños. There's this fire burning in our hearts, no? Na kapag meron kaming gusto, gagawin namin yan kahit ano pa, no matter what it takes.
Grabe.
Yeah,
Grabe
yeah,
ka,
I
ha?
definitely agree. So we have this kind of vision. We have a mission and a vision in order for us to continue what we are fighting for, and we have this fire in our heart and soul in order for us to radiate in the people that we love and the people that we wanted to help. And I think that's what makes Arizaleño proud and advance in the competition. So please watch out for us.
Yeah, wala na po tayong hihintayin ko di Corona for the both of you, for Bea and Julius out there. We are very much confident that you're gonna be a crown for Rizal. Sabi nga ni Bea, Rizal! Okay, congratulations in advance, and of course, good luck to your journey here at Ginoon Pinipining Rizal. And I know that papagpalik natin, dala na natin ng Corona for of course sa ating mga Rizal. Thank you so much, Bea. Thank you, Julius. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you po.